Hey, I'm out here in downtown Denver. I didn't tell no one, I just showed up. Eureka, I think I found it. Are you guys from the internet?
What's up?
Hey, I'm out here in downtown Denver. I didn't tell no one, I just showed up. Mission today, head to Denver Beer and Oil Shop. The only problem is, I don't know how to get there. I'm guessing some train, so I'm just gonna like find my way over there. It should be fun. See you guys soon. Finally made it at DVO. I'm gonna go surprise the guys. Keep in mind, this is like all unplanned. I just winged it. I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm literally just a traveler. Pulling up, right off the back, we see a Westfalia, and we see a wagon. We'll see what happens. Let's see what goes down. It's a little nerve-wracking. You guys from the internet?
What's up?
What's up, DVO guys? Well, I'm gonna meet the guys and I'll be back. Just want to get this on camera.
The old stash cam feller.
I'm just a dude traveling right now, meeting the boys. Famous, right?
Yeah,
dude.
Welcome to the shit show.
All right, a little back shop tour. I mean, I always see a brief in the background, and I was always wondering, like, how many fucking cool cars you guys got?
There's like a lot of junk here. If you like BMWs, there's a lot of cool junk.
So does people just come here like to give you their old shitbox BMWs because they see no value in it?
They usually just call first.
Okay.
Yeah, they're like, you want this? Yeah. No, we just buy them.
E34 roll?
This was the first ever channel car, the turbo 535i that is no longer anything on it.
Oh, what?
Zach bought all the turbo stuff.
Yeah, it might go. It's probably going on this.
This is a clean fucking car.
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
Dude, that's hard to find, especially in red.
The red is actually painted.
Yeah.
It's a fake IS.
Okay.
It's an Arctic blue.
Yeah, you can
really
see
cool
it.
color.
Dude, is this
It's
a...
got bullet holes.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Some cool shit.
Where's your V12 car? Oh, it's here? Dude, we're about to see the V12 car. Dude, this car's bitching.
Car, even the AC works.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What the fuck? This is a nice car.
Except we were driving to
Holy
Texas,
shit.
And then I drove over some plywood and it threw it up, or was it, it's one of these sides all damaged. Oh, effing chat.
Oh.
Corner. The stance is perfect on it.
Damn. Oh.
Oh, it's in gear. Oh, baby.
Come on.
Oh. Bullshit, you just
It's okay.
drove it. That's a lie. This thing's been sitting here for a month.
The V12 that they never built.
Yeah, so the plan is, this is the 5-liter M70.
Yeah.
The plan is to take this out and put the M73 in it.
Damn.
The E38 engine. This one, the car is low mileage, but this engine's well over 200. So it leaks and it burns a little bit.
What is the 6-speed off of
850i or 850 CSI.
so that's 6-speed's rare too.
So all this was bought, not the engine, but everything was bought brand new. This car was built in 96.
Damn.
Like, they bought it from the dealer and then it went straight to the shop.
Fuck,
And
dude.
it had a Hartgay 6-liter in it. It made 500 horsepower when it was brand new.
Oh, it was one of those deals.
Yeah,
Okay.
apparently it was like a $200,000 car.
How many M5s do you own, Chris?
I own 2 that work and 2 that don't work.
It's okay, so 4 in total.
Yeah, 4 US ones, which I guess are like much more rare than Euro.
He's shitty BMW rich.
But this is a 93, so you get the cool mirrors, and you get shadow lines,
Oh, fuck.
and then you get the motorsport door handles.
I've never seen a 93.
There's plans for the M5s, but I don't know which M5 is getting which plans. But
Check out the pinstripe.
Dude,
Yeah,
the pinstripe's bitching.
Yeah. That's sick.
Yeah, the handles are bitching too. Alright, I have to make a little montage of all the cool cars here. This is gonna be a 50-minute video if we get a tour of all the cars. I like how it has a damn M Sport bumper.
Yeah, front and rear.
Front and rear M Sport bumper, casually. What is it? Like, what is it?
So it's a 77 K20, so like a 3/4 ton Chevy 4-wheel drive truck under it. We bought it rolling, but we thought it was pretty close. It was pretty far away. And then we bought a crate motor and got it running. A crate motor. It turned out it wasn't very crate either, and had to do all that. And then put a lift on it and 37s and took it. If you guys know what Gambler 500s are, that's what we took it to. It was like a gambler event.
I mean, I can't really force everything here. There's so many gyms and so much cool shit here that honestly, if you want to see it, just go over there and see their channel, because they got a lot of cool shit. And I'm pretty sure like some of you guys that watch me also watch them, because we kind of like damn near do the same thing with shit boxes. The journey to Denver was worth it. In the beginning I was a little sad because all the brown trees are a little depressing. Coming here, this is like why I would love to come to Denver. Looked over E34 over there.
Yeah, Zach and I were drinking.
This is what happens.
It's a Hoonigan car.
Dude, the car looks really nice actually. I'm gonna actually take a photo like right here, because this is a sick ass photo. What's the specs on that bad boy?
Cut springs, polished paint, E39 style 5s. Nice. It's a good combo.
Torque life, huh?
Torque life.
E28.
Clutch dump life.
No.
Oh, it is one wheeler. Oh, the V12 car.
Chris pops out. Look, he's like, okay.
That car's not even warm, man. Hey, thanks Zach for that sick ass burnout.
What's up? Yeah, anytime, dude. Anything for Stash Cam.
Thank you.
Shit.
Hey, dude, you look so sick right now.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Slightly.
Grab some food and we're out.
A few moments later.
I love how casual it is. Like the guys just know this happens on the daily. Dude. Rolling to a local car meet. It's JDM, so expect JDM shit. We just pulled up to the meet, and a lot of JDM fanboys are already giving eyes over here, which is cool because like I'm in the driver's seat. Hey, man, shit. All eyes on you, Chris Sausage Fest. I just feel to be a boss.
Should I just do it?
I thought Denver didn't really have a car scene, but I guess it's a different kind of car scene. It's more of a car scene that everybody has their cool cars, but stored away, and then at times like these, they bring it out. Because driving around, you really don't see cool cars. It's just mainly like commuter cars. But as you can see, there's some fucking gyms here, so they just like come out when the time is right. That's when they come out. I think this is JDM E34 right here.
Everybody knows, you know. Hooey shit. Yeah, y'all gotta go. See, we're both outgunned. You get Peter? No, he was just trying to.
Maybe he was. He was serious. You said we gotta go. I was like, that guy looks serious.
Yeah, but what do you take off to get him?
It's fucking, it's the damn popos we're running. It's like damn Fast and the Furious in this bitch.
I was just asking us to leave. They were cool. See him just walking around, hand on his gun.
Nah, this was a cool meet though.
No, it was super cool. I talked all that shit earlier about how shitty the meets are, and this one, nobody did anything stupid except me revving my engine. I was the only asshole.
I just got a taxi dropped off in front of my hostel in a fucking GTR. Gotta love life. That's wild. In my hostel. Shout out to Chris, shout out to DBO. Thanks, guys.